Hey, we're diving deep into the 2026 Nissan Rogue, a compact SUV that's been turning heads with its blend of practicality, style, and technology. From the first glance, the Rogue makes a bold impression. Its exterior design is sleek yet rugged, featuring a sharp V-motion grille up front, LED headlights that give it a sophisticated presence, and sculpted body lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. The 2026 model has refined its proportions, making it look more muscular without losing its urban-friendly size. And the alloy wheels come in multiple finishes that add a touch of personality whether you prefer sporty or elegant. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both comfortable and modern. Nissan has upgraded the interior materials, so soft-touch surfaces, subtle stitching, and chrome accents give a more premium feel than you might expect in this segment. The seats are designed for long drives, with plenty of support, and there's ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The Rogue also offers a flexible cargo area. Rear seats fold flat with a simple pull, expanding storage for weekend trips or larger loads. Technology is a big selling point here. The 2026 Rogue comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system, fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making navigation, music, and calls seamless. Higher trims even offer a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. What sets the Rogue apart is Nissan's commitment to safety. Its Propilot Assist combines adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated braking to create a semi-autonomous driving experience that's incredibly confidence-inspiring on highways. Under the hood, the Rogue balances efficiency and power nicely. The standard 1.5-liter VC turbo engine delivers a smooth 201 horsepower while keeping fuel economy competitive for the class. For those who want more versatility, all-wheel drive is available, giving extra traction in wet or snowy conditions. Steering and suspension are tuned to offer a comfortable ride over city streets. Yet the Rogue handles corners with surprising agility for a compact SUV, making it easy and fun to drive in a variety of environments. Other unique touches include its zero-gravity front seats, which reduce fatigue on long drives, and a panoramic sunroof option that floods the cabin with light, enhancing the open and airy feel. There's also a wide range of driver assist features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and intelligent emergency braking, ensuring both convenience and peace of mind. The 2026 Nissan Rogue is clearly designed for a modern driver who wants a versatile, stylish and tech-savvy SUV without compromising on practicality or safety. Whether you're navigating tight city streets, taking a road trip, or handling unpredictable weather, the Rogue delivers with confidence, comfort, and a hint of excitement. With its thoughtful design, clever features, and well-rounded performance, it's easy to see why the Rogue continues to be one of Nissan's most popular models.